In this video, the Bitcoin price is right now forming a rising wedge. And guys, we are also going to dive in with different indicators right now as the Bitcoin price is trying to flip bullish. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So let's dive into this video. So let's give you a quick recap of our previous analysis. So diba kahapon we were still following this rising channel nga. Ayun, may rising channel tayo dyan na nag-form and we are still playing within the support line. Pero if we are going to look into the very short term, if we are going to zoom in dito sa ating latest Bitcoin price action and then let's move into the hourly, you can now see now we are starting to form this rising wedge. And traditionally, a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. And siguro, this is what you can actually swing trade. Then you can actually swing trade within the support and resistances. This is what we have been doing since yesterday. So yung mga pinopost ko kapon sa Discord sa Telegram, yun yung mga ginagawa natin. Tinatry natin siya swing trade yung mga volatility dito. Pero right now, itong movement 10 is currently forming a rising wedge. So right now, this is what we are going to monitor with this rising wedge. So let's say we started breaking down from this rising wedge, then ang mga support na titignan natin would still be around the 37.5k. Next would be around the 37.2k. And last but not the least, ititignan natin within the 36.3k. Only if na-break bearish natin itong rising wedge. But let's say we are going to flip bullish dito sa ating rising wedge, then we are just going to get the height of this rising wedge. Then lagay natin siya sa possible point of breakout. Then yun yung ating magiging target, which is roughly around playing around the 39.8k. But as of now, there are still no breakout pa din. So there are no confirmation yet if we are going to see a breakout na ngayon. Pero right now, we are still seeing this movement within the rising wedge. And that is what we are going to monitor for the very short term dito kay Bitcoin price. And yeah, remember to be very cautious lang dito sa mga trade kasi medyo delikado siya ngayon. Especially na we are getting very tight dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. Now, on top of that, mayroon din ako gusto ipakita sa inyo which is actually itong mga moving average chart natin. Kasi if you're going to look at the moving average chart, almost all of the moving average has flipped bullish. As you can see, all of our indicators dito sa ating MAs are currently above the 200 MA. And traditionally, if everything is above, then we are in a bull trend na nga. And similarly, this could indicate na we are starting to break bullish. Pero yun nga, in order for us to flip bullish talaga, we need buy volume talaga dito sa movement natin, which we are not seeing any buy volume. So yun yung problem natin dito. We are trying to break bullish, pero we are not yet seeing any buy volume. And typically, if we are seeing movements like this, these are actually not a good thing. Kasi look at this. Whenever na we are going to break out dito, tapos walang makitang buy volume, tapos let's say nakukulangan tayo ng buy volume, it can actually lead into a fake out to the downside. So right now, we have started breaking this 200 MA resistance dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. However, we are yet to see any buy volume. So right now, we are currently bullish within the very short term sa early time frame. Pero ang problem nga lang is wala lang talaga tayong buy volume nakikita. And if you're going to use the displaced EMA, itong indicator na available dito sa TradingView, you can actually see now we are trying to break bullish with the Bitcoin price actions. So as you can see, the yellow trend is trying to break above this area. So indicating na if we are going to move these movements above this so if nagkaroon tayo ng so if let's say nag-flip itong mga EMA natin to the upside, then that would indicate na we are going to be bullish with the Bitcoin price action. Pero right now in the early time frame, nag-flip bullish na siya. Pero looking at this in the displaced EMA in the 4-hour time frame, wala pa tayong confirmation if we are already bullish. So as of the time being, we have to wait this one out, especially na kailangan natin magkaroon ng buy volume. At the same time, kailangan natin mag-flip halos lahat ng indicators in order for us to completely say na we are bullish. Kasi as you can see, right now, we are still not yet in a complete bull trend. May mga signs hinting na we are going to see a bull trend. Ang problem lang talaga is we are yet to see those buy volumes na lumabas dito sa ating mga sinusundan na chart. So as of the time being, be very cautious lang dito sa ating Bitcoin price action. And remember, always wait for a candle confirmation if you want to enter into any big trade. So ayun muna yung monitor natin dito kay Bitcoin price, the rising wedge, the MAs, ang problem lang kay MAs, walang volume, and then also the displaced EMA if we are now going to flip bullish sa ating displaced EMA. And guys, if you want to trade Bitcoin with the lowest fees possible, the best place to trade this is actually in BingX. And if you want to claim bonus dito, just use my sign-up code, then you can find the description down below. And then yun muna update natin for today, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like. And if you want to see more contents like this, please subscribe for more. I'll see you in the next video, and bye-bye for now.